Hey guys! Glad to see you on Yum Chanted. Let's cook wise, eat wise, and be calorie wise. I'm going to present to you a lip smacking chole tikki showcased in bell pepper rings. These colorful tikkis are low in carb, gluten-free and vegan. Coat them with mint chutney, sprinkle onions and crispy save. Every bite of this tikki has a cascade of flavors that will amaze you. This roadside chaat is a perfect evening snack. Everyone has different style of preparing this. Let's go ahead and prepare my version of chole tikki. This recipe makes 12 chole tikkis and each one on an average has 110 kilocalories. Soak 1.5 cups of chickpeas overnight and pressure cook them for 4 to 5 whistles. Let this come to room temperature. Let's make mint chutney. Add 10 grams of ginger, few green chilies according to your spice level, 15 grams mint, 10 grams spinach, quarter teaspoon turmeric, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon amchur, quarter cup of water and blitz them into a fine paste. Spinach gives a lovely green color to the chutney. Add half a slice of bread and blend again. This gives chutney a spreadable consistency and also reduces darkening. Take bell peppers and cut them like this into 1 centimeter thick rings. Remove the seeds. We will require 12 such rings for this recipe. Chop the remaining part of bell peppers finely and we will add to the tikki batter that we are going to prepare now. Blend the chickpeas into a coarse batter. Add salt to taste, quarter teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chaat masala and 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder, that is amchur. I used 3/4 cups water for 2 cups of boiled chickpeas. This batter should have the consistency of hummus or vada batter. In goes 50 grams of finely chopped onions, 50 grams of finely chopped green bell pepper, 50 grams of red bell pepper or capsicum, 2 tablespoons of mint chutney that we prepared earlier and give it a good mix. I almost forgot. Mix 100 grams of boiled potato. It helps bind the batter while shallow frying. Now that everything is ready, let's prepare our chole tikkis. Grease a non-stick pan with oil. Place the bell pepper rings on the pan and fill them up with chickpea batter we prepared. Spread it evenly to the thickness of the ring. Toast it for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Pour half a teaspoon of oil on top of the tikkis and flip them gently. Approximately 1 teaspoon of oil is used per tikki. As most of the ingredients are cooked, we need not cover them. Once it is roasted well on both sides, remove them from pan and collect them into a container. Just before serving the tikkis, spread some mint chutney on them. Put 1 teaspoon of onion coriander leaves mix and sprinkle some crispy save. Those who have a sweet tooth can add dates and imli chutney. Don't they look tempting? Serve it to your guests and family. I can assure you that they will empty their plates in no time. What more could a served plate returned empty say? A delightful dining experience. This vegan chole tikki is for sure a yummy, easy and healthy recipe. Don't miss to try this out. Let's keep in touch through your likes, comments and shares. If you have not subscribed yet, please do the honor. Ring the bell icon for yummy notifications. See you with another recipe on Yum Chanted. Bye.